Breastfeeding is a beautiful and natural way to nourish your baby, but for many new mothers, it can also feel overwhelming at first. Understanding the basic do's and don'ts of breastfeeding can make the journey smoother, more comfortable, and more rewarding for both you and your baby. Let's start with the dose. Do begin breastfeeding as soon as possible after birth if you can. Early skin-to-skin contact helps your baby latch better and stimulates milk production. Do make sure your baby is latched correctly. A deep latch reduces nipple pain and allows your baby to get enough milk. Your baby's mouth should cover more than just the nipple, including part of the areola. Do feed your baby on demand. Newborns typically nurse every 2 to 3 hours, and responding to hunger cues like rooting, sucking motions, or hand-to-mouth movements helps build a healthy milk supply. Do stay hydrated and eat balanced meals. Breastfeeding burns extra calories, so drinking plenty of water and eating nutritious foods supports your energy levels and milk production. Do take care of your comfort. Use pillows to support your back and arms, and don't hesitate to change positions if something doesn't feel right. Do burp your baby after feeding to reduce gas and discomfort. And most importantly, do ask for help. Lactation consultants, nurses, and experienced mothers can provide valuable guidance and reassurance. Now, let's talk about the don'ts. Don't worry if breastfeeding doesn't feel perfect right away. It's a learning process for both you and your baby. Don't ignore pain. While mild tenderness can be normal in the beginning, sharp or ongoing pain may indicate an improper latch or another issue that needs attention. Don't compare yourself to other mothers. Every breastfeeding journey is unique, and what works for one mom may not work for another. Don't restrict feeding times too strictly. Letting your baby nurse until they are satisfied helps ensure proper growth and milk supply. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Skipping meals, losing sleep, or feeling overly stressed can impact your milk production and overall well-being. Don't introduce bottles or pacifiers too early unless advised by a healthcare professional, as this may cause nipple confusion for some babies. Finally, don't give up too quickly. Breastfeeding can have challenges, but with patience, support, and the right information, many issues can be resolved. Remember, a fed and loved baby is what matters most. Breastfeeding is not about perfection. It's about connection, nourishment, and doing what's best for you and your baby. Trust your body, listen to your baby, and take it one feed at a time.